Hey guys, it's Ashley. I had several people wonder how I made the sticker, so I made this little tutorial to show you guys how to do it. The first thing we're going to do is open up a brand new file, and then we're going to adjust our settings, the design page settings. You can find that little icon right here. Just click on it. We want this to be set to our current printer, and we're going to leave it in portrait, leave all this the same. Make sure your cutting mat, if you're using the Cameo, go ahead and select the Cameo. Leave show print border checked and cut border checked. The next thing we want to do is check our registration marks. So go to the icon that's right next to the design page settings. Go ahead and select the registration mark icon. We're going to change the style. I'm using a Cameo, so I'm going to check type 1 Cameo and leave everything as it is. Now you're ready to go and make whatever kind of stickers that you're trying to make. I'm going to close this registration mark screen. And right here, I want to make sure that any designs that I make, they are in the red line. And they are not on these black registration marks. So you can fill up the space all in between that area. For the stickers that I created for my Erin Condren Life Planner, I used the rounded rectangle. So I went over here and selected the rounded rectangle. I'm going to make it about 1.49, 1.5, get it as close as I can, by 0.749. Just get it as close as you can. Okay, I have mine at 0.75 inches by 1.5 inches. I'm going to leave it at that. This is the outside rectangle. I want another rectangle just like it, but I'm going to use it for the inside because I want a border on mine, on my stickers. Just kind of make another one inside and move it around. I didn't have a huge border on mine. That's about good right there. Okay, so I made my RPAC stickers. I made the dance stickers in a purple. All I did was select the outer edge, went up to the fill color window, and picked a color purple. It appears like the entire box is purple, but it's not. It's just the outside, the one on the back, the rectangle on the back. I want the inner rectangle a different color, a lighter color, so that I can read my text. So I made that a lighter purple. Now you can go to the advanced options and choose whatever color purple you want. If you want a lighter color, more of a deep one, I like this one, so I'll just leave it this way. I'm going to go ahead and close the fill color window. Zoom in a little bit. Now I want to add text. So I'm going to go to my text button, and it's going to be gigantic. So I'm going to go ahead and go over here, change the font size to maybe 14. You can even change the font style over here on the side. I set mine to center justification because I like everything in the middle. So you go back over here and you just start typing. I'm just going to type fill text here. I want to see what I'm typing, so I'm going to change that fill color to black. Then I want to just take my text, move it around. You can make the text bigger, you can change the color, you can do whatever. Your printer is going to print whatever it sees. So if you want it in a different color, you need to change it to a different color right now. Okay, our first sticker is done. If you want to make a sheet of the same sticker, then you would go ahead and select it. Select the entire thing. Right click and group it together. If you do not want to do the same sticker, I did 4 columns of different stickers for each day, Monday through Thursday, because my schedule changes every single day and I wanted it that way. Then you would just leave it alone, just like this, and then copy what I'm about to do. Go to the replicate icon and select it. I'm going to do a custom position. I don't want to fill the entire page because I have registration marks I can't go over. So I'm going to go into the advanced option. I want 4 columns. So I'm going to do 3 copies right here, changing this to 3. I want to do a custom position. Since I want columns, that's going to be an X offset, not a Y. I'm just going to make that 0. Come back here, and I want my offsets to be 1.75. Go to the bottom and hit replicate. And it's filled it to make my 4 columns. If I wanted to each day to be different, I could just go back to the text and I can change whatever my schedule was for Monday, change that, come over here. Then I can go ahead and change this to Tuesday, whatever was on that schedule on that day. I like everything to be centered, so I would probably center it at this point. Now your printer is going to print whatever it sees. So make sure you change something if that's how you want it to look. If you wanted it all the same day, then you'll just copy everything that I'm doing. Just you want 4 columns, and we're going to do 9 rows. So to do the rows, I'm going to go over here and select everything that I've done so far. Select the entire row. Again, go to the replicate icon and go to scroll down. I'm going to do the advanced options again. Oh, uh-oh. It closed it on me. I want a total of 9 rows, so I'm adding 8. I want them below. Oh wait, I'm going to do a custom. Sorry. Since I'm making rows, I'm going to do a Y offset. My Y offset is going to be 0.85. I'm going to go to the bottom and hit replicate, and it's going to fill my page. Now I want to just double check, make sure none of my stickers are crossing the red line. They're not on the registration marks anywhere. If they were, I would need to move them. Okay, at this point, you are done. You're going to print everything now. Okay, so now I want to print my stickers. So I'm going to go up to File, select Print. Make sure I've got my printer set. I don't want it in black and white, going to keep it in color. Go ahead and click Print. I'm not actually printing these. I'm going to cancel. Once you've printed them out, they'll look like this on your printer. These I've already done. You're going to take that sheet of sticker paper and then load them into your silhouette. Again, these are ones that I already did. I didn't do any new ones. Load them into your silhouette and then go back to this screen, and now we're going to go ahead and cut the stickers. Okay, to cut my stickers, I'm going to go to the cut settings icon. I'm in standard. I have the designer edition, so I can go to advanced and it would let me change some things, but just in case you don't, we can do this in standard. If you notice, all of these red lines are around every single thing, even the text. That means that your silhouette's going to cut all of those individual letters. I don't want that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select everything and I'm going to go ahead and group it all together. Now I'm just going to go to cut edge. So now the only thing that's red is the outside of each box, and that's all I want to cut. I just want it to make my stickers. I just want to cut the outside. I'm going to choose white sticker paper. I've played around with this, and for my machine, a ratchet blade of 2 works the best. I changed the speed to 5, and then thickness, I'm going to go to 6. Oops, went the wrong way. This works the best for my machine. If you're unsure about yours, I would hit test cut. Make sure that only the top part is coming off, not the backing. That's how you're going to make your stickers. If these settings that I've used here don't work. Now you just hit send a silhouette. My silhouette's not hooked up for this video, so I'm not going to click it, but you just send it to the silhouette and it cuts out your stickers for you. Okay, that's it for this video. You should have some perfectly made stickers for your Erin Condren Life Planner or any planner that you want to use. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.